Hi, you guys. This video is about JavaScript and writing out functions. As you can see, this is something that was made with this. How it works is you click on this and the background color goes to that. So what we're going to be doing today, is rewriting all of this code to make it work so that we can understand, okay, for surely how to write a function, and make it work. I'm trying to basically remember these concepts, because once you remember one concept, it's easier to go on to the next. I mean, if you have like this foundation. So let's erase all of this. I am a really big fan of erasing things, because you know what? We're just going to start all over and refresh this. You see how nothing works? Absolutely nothing. All that you're looking at right now is HTML and CSS. That's all you're looking at. I mean, you see, we have the red, the purple, and a list. We've made it into put in the middle of the page. We put a border around this. That border is bothering me because the height is not quite right. Let's make it 270 and see. Ooh. Let's make it 265. Perfect. Okay. So let's go ahead and put that code back in JavaScript so that when we click on this, it will work and it'll be the background color of that color. Let's go. Okay, you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this out. Document get element. Element by ID. Now, what that is saying is go to this document, right? I want you to find an ID, which is over here. We have a lot of different IDs. We got purple, green, blue, and red. So I'm going to say purple. Find the ID purple. Then when you click on purple, that color, do party purple. Now, party purple is a set of instructions, and that's where we're going to put this down here in a function. So function party purple. Oh, this deserves 2 brackets. Okay. Function party purple. Documents. It's saying document, that same document in the back of me right here. Query selector. So I'm talking about the body in the background of this whole document. That is what I'm referring to. Okay. Style it. Background color. Make it to be purple. Right? Document. And now I need to tell it also what color to make the letters, because you might not be able to see the letters it's a certain color. Body style color equals white. All right, let's test this out, you guys. It's not working, and you know why? Because let me see. Back here, I need to put the color purple. I put this color, but I'll just put purple to make things simple for myself. Okay. All right, so it should work now. Oh, it's not working. I like kind of when things don't work because then I'm able to figure out what happened. What's going on? And when I solve the problem, I get excited. All right, function party purple. We've got that in here. Document dot query selector body style background color equals purple. Document query selector body style color equals white. Document get element by ID. Purple. One click equals party purple. Party purple. See, everything you have to make sure that it is spelled correctly or else it's not going to do its thing. All right, so it might be this. My white is not in these quotes. Still not working, guys. Uh-oh, let's see. All right, I had it to say one click, but it should be on click. So save. Here we go. Okay, so all we have to do is make that same thing for the green one, the turquoise one, and the red one. And you guys, tonight we're not going to copy and paste out anything. We're going to write this code over and over again until we get it, okay? So as we know, this is the set of instructions for this. It's saying go in here, go inside of this document, get an ID called purple, and on a click, we're going to equal party purple. Now, in order to equal party purple, we have to make a function named party purple to even do what we're trying to say that it should be doing, which is make the background purple. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and do this for all of them. And let's just, I wish I could play some music for you guys while I code this up, but usually it'll give me copywritten situation and give me a ding on my YouTube channel. And I don't need that because later I won't be able to monetize the situation. And I don't want that for myself. All right, so let's create the function party green. Now, of course, these names we're coming up with ourselves. When you start doing this, you can make up your own names, whatever that will be. Query selector. As you can see, we're using camel case. You know, when it is more than one word, you go upper and lowercase, but you start with lowercase. All right, since I made this party green, I'm gonna save this, but you see it's not gonna work, watch. And you know why? Because in my style CSS, I have my ID is green and it's this color. but I need to make it green, not one of the hexadecimal colors. Now it should work. See? Okay, now we just got to get the other ones going. What color should I make this? Pink? Yeah. Make it any color you want. All right, function, party, document, query, folder, body. All right, now we gotta save this, and we also need to go back over here and make this what, you guys? Pink, that's right. Oh, and we definitely need to change this to pink. And we need to change this to pink because over here, I had blue. So whenever you're changing something, you have to change it in HTML and CSS. It's probably going to be the reason why that thing isn't working. Yikes, none of this works. Hold up, wait a minute. Something is wrong in the code. Oh, party pink. But something else. It's like it's wrong. It's like got a red mark here. Oh, this deserves this. You always know when it's something wrong because in VS Code, at least, this will turn red. And of course, we seen nothing was working. All right, everything's working now like it should. We just have to make the red one work. I don't know. I think I should make this one color yellow. Yeah. I just like to change the color. I like to do different things just so that I can see how you can change things. Okay. Okay. Function. Party. Yellow. Query. Selector. All right, you guys. So what do we have to go and do? Save this, and then we have to go and make this what? Yellow. Not red. And we also have to make this yellow because this is where we say what our ID colors are even named. Okay. Why is that white? Can somebody tell me why? I didn't do something right. I didn't do something right. Party yellow. Yellow. Up. Yellow. I didn't make that yellow, you guys. See, now what this is saying in CSS is the color yellow, turn the background yellow. Within this only. Wait, hold on. Let me save this. When I save this, it's going to turn this thing yellow, not this. JavaScript is in charge of this area, but this right here is going to turn yellow. So let's just see. Now, when I click on it, that's the set of instructions that JavaScript is saying, hey, on one click, go to party yellow, which is these sets of instructions. Okay. Let's also, on the click, make the words white or green or some other color. So document query selector, then the body, of course, like everything usually is. Uh-oh. Body. Style, color. Now, usually color, even in CSS, is for the font. So that's what color is. I wonder why it didn't change it. Style, color. When I change this to yellow, it should be turning my font color pink. Document query selector. Oh, I have selector 9. Let's try it now. You really have to watch that. All right, you see? Now when I do this, it's all pink. Now I didn't know that it would do that. I guess it's using it for every one of them. Let's say white instead. And then let's try something, you guys. Let's try to make it so that for all of these, it's going to be a different color. This will be green. This will be blue. Everything has its own thing when you click on it. This will be white. Okay, let's see. White, blue, green. What is this? What color is this? White, I guess. Okay. So you see how all of these set of instructions, it did exactly what I told it to do for each click. First, you got to just say what it is that you want to happen. Go into this document and get the element ID. And then when you click on it, you're going to create a function name. Now with that function, you create the set of instructions for that function. And with that, I close. This was just a short little video. This was my homework, and it's pretty interesting, pretty cool to see, you know, the computer do what you tell it to do. All right. Put some, you know, if you want me to make a video about something, put it in the comments and I will read it and make a video on that thing. All right. Have a good night. Bye-bye.